Welcome back to the Ragu Guru. Today we're going to be doing a couple of Neapolitan dishes.
Neapolitan? What does a matrix have to do with any of this?
Famous food from Naples. We're going to be doing a Puttanesca and a Frutti di Mare. Okay, here's all the stuff. Let's at it. Okay, mise en place for the Frutti di Mare. We have mussels, oysters, hard-shell clams, and some scallops. And we're going to be sharing the zucchinis, tomatoes, basil, and garlic between the two. And for the puttanesca, of course, we have garlic, pine nuts. I got a few dates, capers, fresh basil, mozzarella, and olives. And this evening's wine is a Falanghina del Sagno. And this is a very bright citrus green apple with floral notes. A very refreshing and lively white wine. Okay, let's do it. Olive oil, butter, garlic, tomatoes. Add your zucchinis. Pour in your fruits of the sea and then shake it up and cover it. Add, of course, your anchovies. And then your blend of Mediterranean olives, followed by capers, of course, beautiful. And then your dates and pine nuts. And then last but not least, add your citron to both. Wine, of course. And then cover it and let it simmer while you get your plates ready to go. Okay, I cooked the spaghetti for 10 minutes. I strained it, of course, added a little olive oil to it in the colander, shook it around, and then finished it off by steaming it in the last 2 minutes to get it really hot. Now we're dressing it up with fresh basil and mozzarella, of course. And now we're going to do plate number one, the puttanesca. Just throw it all on top there, dress it off, and good to go. And of course, for the Frutti di Mare, you're going to have to take your time. Look at those beautiful clams and oysters and scallops and mussels. Absolutely wonderful dish. And then, of course, you're going to put your goodies on there and then pour that beautiful ragu on top. Dress it up, of course, like any other dish. And voila. Again, I wish I could get the smells of these dishes on the TV, but anyways, this is the puttanesca and the incredible Frutti di Mare. Neapolitan cuisine is a must, as is a good wine from the region. Okay, people, take care of yourselves. We'll see you next time.